Want to bake a delicious fruitcake from scratch using simple ingredients? Stay with me and I'll show you how. Start by sifting your flour and baking powder. After sifting your flour, you rub in your butter until it resembles breadcrumbs. This is how your mixture should be, like fine breadcrumbs. Now we add in our sugar. We add in our mixed peel and dried fruit. You can also add in your nuts. I have crushed them rather smaller pieces. And this is my lemon rind I add. And then I mix everything all together. Finally, I now add the liquids. Egg. I have milk. And I have lemon juice. I mix everything together until it is combined. Don't beat, just make sure it is just combined. This is what I have, a very stiff dough. Now I'm going to put it in my baking tray. I have now transferred to my prepared tin. If you don't know how to prepare your tin, check my video on how to dust and grease your pan. And this is the final product.